ZOOMLION Skid Steer Loader. The slip steering technology was adopted on ZOOMLION Skid Steer Loader to make the spin turn possible, which is especially suitable for small urban space construction. Different attachments can be changed quickly on ZOOMLION Skid Steer Loader by modular design to achieve a variety of functions, which meets the needs of building construction, winter snow removal, garden or agricultural construction, and so on. Compared with the same power models, ZOOMLION Skid Steer Loader owns the proprietary technology of the vertical lifting work device, which can be loaded more, lifted higher, and unloaded farther than the arc lifting device. At the same time, the loading efficiency is higher, the performance is better. Vertical lifting technology delivers a 14% increase in performance. ZOOMLION Skid Steer Loader adopts the technical route of separation of working pump and oil filling pump to fully use of the engine power. Due to the technical route, the working efficiency of attachments increased by 19% compared with the competitor. And with dual accelerator control, the engine speed can be dynamically adjusted according to the load changes so that fuel consumption can be reduced by more than 5%. In addition, the working arm designed by ZOOMLION PCT patent reduces the blind area and makes driving safer. Moreover, the equipment of positive pressure dust-proof driving cabin makes the driving experience more comfortable, clean, and healthy. With the further process of social mechanization, a huge market space has been created for small construction machinery. The miniaturization of construction machinery is also a development trend in the industry. ZOOMLION Earth-Moving Machinery's product layout in the field of small construction machinery represents the industry-leading technological strength and innovation level. ZOOMLION Earth-Moving Machinery will continue to create excellent products with innovative technology, lead the industry to upgrade and reform, and create greater value for customers.